Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem iTunes gift card on iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to redeem your iTunes gift card, open either the App Store or iTunes Store on your iPhone. I'm going to open my App Store. Once you open it up, go to the human icon in the upper right-hand corner. And on the next page, you should see an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap that button on and as you can see that you know how to redeem your gift card. You can use your camera device or you can also enter your code manually to manually enter your code. Tap and you can also enter your code manually button and then type in your code in the text box. As you're done typing in your code, tap on Redeem at the top right-hand corner. And that is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card or your gift code on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this.